Hello everyone, I am Ankit and today I am going to give you a walkthrough of the third version of our Pango camera backpack. So we heard a lot of feedback from you guys and we said, okay, let's do it. And we did 6 major upgrades this time. I will just quickly tell you these upgrades. The first one is the expandable capacity. So this main bag is now expandable from 30 liters to a 40 liters storage. Second is this magnetic buckle, so that you can see on the front. This one. Third, we have designed a expandable camera cube which is right now inside it, but I'm going to surprise you when I open this detachable expandable camera cube which is right now inside this bag. The fourth is this waist belt that is again removable. This time we have added pockets to it. Fourth one is these shockers. So we have added 3 shockers this time, one on the sternum straps and 2 on the sides of your shoulder straps, so that your bag feel light when you have fully loaded it with your camera gear. The last one is these velcro patches. Now you can put your favorite customized velcro patches on the front side. So let's quickly dive into the details of this bag now. So on the front you will find this big zippered pocket where you can keep your books, cables, and a lot more items. Inside of it you will find 2 mesh pockets. There is one big zipper pocket as well. On the right hand side you will find this water bottle pocket. You can, on the other side we have this quick access for your camera gear, so you can access your camera by opening the flap of this cube that is inside of it. So also you can keep this flap, you can put this flap inside this bigger flap. So now this becomes one opening. Like this was there in our older version as well, and we have continued this in this version also. Also on the flap you'll find a zipper net pocket. So let me just put this back. On the top you'll find this mole webbing where you can put your carabiners, or you can hang your loose items or your speakers, whatever you want to put it over here. So on the top you'll find this roll top expansion which opens with this magnetic buckle like this. So you will see these velcro straps here. We have provided this so that when you are rolling this bag, the roll does not go here and there, so it stays at its place. So when you have rolled it up. So now coming to the back side. So on the back side we have provided lift loaders this time, so that you can make this bag closer to your body when you are using it. On the shoulder straps you'll find sternum strap here like this. On the sternum strap we have provided shocker again, so that it helps you reduce the weight from your shoulders, and the shockers are there on these 2 sides as well. Here you have this D-ring to hang anything that you want. So the back panel is quite comfortable. It is made of soft foam, quite padded enough to make you feel very comfortable when you are wearing it. Here you have this trolley strap. Below the trolley strap there is a pocket which we usually call as a passport pocket, and below it you will find this detachable waist belt. So this time again you can, like, this is similar to what we have done in our Nomad bag also. You can remove this waist belt entirely. Right, on the waist belt this time you'll find this mole webbing to hang your carabiners and other items. Here we have provided this pocket where you can keep your small items. At the bottom of it again there's a zipper which we usually call as a trash pocket. You can keep your water bottle or any waste item that you want to put it while you are traveling. So now let's dive into the main compartment of this bag. We have provided heavy duty YKK zippers, so the bag opens 180 degrees like this. So this is how the inner setup of this bag looks like. On this flap you'll find a laptop pocket, an iPad pocket, and a mesh zippered pocket. Inside you'll find this detachable and expandable camera cube. I'm just going to tell you how. And on the top of it there is a divider again over here. This is basically a partition, so that it divides the bag into 2 halves like this. On this side you'll find a zipper pocket. There's a small zipper pocket here to keep your power banks or your rain cover. So above this divider you have this roll top expansion. So let's say if you have filled your camera gear till here, you can use this main compartment to keep your clothes, jackets, or extra gear that you have. On the top there is a zipper closure, so you can close the top with a zipper and again roll this up and close with the magnet buckle. So yes, this is how the inside of this bag looks like. So now let's come to the best part that I said is going to surprise you, and which is this removable expandable camera cube. So now let me show you what we have done with this cube this time. So let me now show you why this camera cube is special this time. So it looks like the regular camera cube of the last version, but no, this is not. So when you open this cube, earlier you used to have this same size, these pockets were here, and you guys used to ask us, hey, can we have a bigger cube so that we can keep a bigger camera gear inside this bag? So instead of making a bigger camera cube altogether, we have designed this expandable camera cube. So here is the attachment that comes along with it, which makes the cube bigger in size like this. So now this becomes a expandable camera cube. The flap of this goes at the back side of the cube so that it does not interfere while you are accessing your camera gear, and you can put this entire cube in your bag. So let me show you how. So remember I told you there was a divider in between, so you can just remove this divider and put this entire cube inside like this. So yes, it will take a bit of here and there to adjust it. Once it fits inside, you are ready to go. So yes, this is how it looks. The bag comes with the rain covers, so the rain cover I'm removing it. Also with this camera cube you have this detachable sling belt, so if you're not using this cube fully, you can make it smaller and carry it like a sling bag. And I hope you like this, and it solves the problem of keeping a larger camera gear. So this is how now the bag looks. So the entire space is utilized to keep your camera gear. And then the best part is, again, on the top you find this more capacity to keep your clothes, and we have provided a zipper on the top to close it like this. I hope you guys must have loved this designing, and we were thinking what to do, how to solve this problem of larger camera gear. This is what came to our mind, and I hope you guys will like it too. So yes, this is how your bag looks like. Here you can keep your camera gear, here you can keep your laptop, iPad, cables, and then you can close it using these heavy duty YKK zippers. And then you can again provide extra safety with these buckles, which are also the lift loaders. So this is how the bag looks like. Let me wear it and show you. First, again, as the Nomad backpack, here also you first have to put your waist strap. You can tighten it up like this, then you put the sternum straps here, and then the lift loaders on the top like this. So this is how the entire bag looks like. Quite comfortable this side. So once your bag is also filled, these shockers helps you reduce the weight, the jerks that you feel when you are walking. So this is quite comfortable this time, and I'm very sure that you guys will love it. Let me show you what all items do you get along with this entire Pango bag. So on the front, as you see, I told you we have these Velcro patches. So you can attach these Velcro patches like this. If you're a creator, you have this creator Velcro patch. You have this camera patch, and then you have this focus patch. So you can put these patches on your front panel like this. And then of course with the main bag you have this expandable camera cube. Inside the camera cube you will find this sling belt. So again, if you want to use this camera cube as a sling bag, so you don't have to carry your entire big bag along with you on your shoot, and you can carry this sling bag like this. So this is how it works. So it comes with a detachable sling belt. Along with this you have this rain cover. With the bag you have this detachable waist belt that I've shown you, which has this trash pocket inside it. This is the divider that you use between the bag to divide the bag into two parts. And then along with this cube, inside this cube you'll find this expandable Velcro system, so that you can expand this cube from a smaller size to a bigger size. So yes, quite a lot of things this time, and I really hope you like this backpack. We have put our heart and soul this time to make it one of the best camera backpacks in the world. So this bag now Pango comes into 4 colors. One of this is rust orange. This is the main bag. The cube of it on my right hand side, you'll see the olive color. So we have this olive color over here. Then on my left, you find diamond gray. This is the new addition to the colors of this bag, and then your all-time favorite black color. So we have put a lot of effort this time designing your favorite camera bag. I hope you like this. Thank you so much.